This is the aftermath. Nice 4 winds. Looks like about a 21-footer. It's sitting on the boat dock, boat ramp. They were over here. They were just bouncing it and bouncing and bouncing, as you saw in the earlier video. They never hooked it up. Now they're going to try to lift the darn thing. They're going to lift it and get it up. Here we go. Hey, Krista. Alright, let's see if they can do it. Gosh, I hope nobody breaks their arms or their legs in doing this. And that's a beautiful 4 winds inboard outboard. That outboard is just going to be trashed. What a beautiful boat. Alcohol and boating do not mix. Rednecks, alcohol and boating do not mix. Whoa, okay, they're able to lean it. Oh, that poor outboard is just going to be trashed. Inboard outboard, that outdrive is mashed up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. They're not going to be able to lift that thing. That's a 4,000-pound boat. 4,000 pounds. That's a 4,000-pound boat. They got 6 guys and they're trying to lift it. No chance whatsoever. They need about 15 guys. Oh, I see what they're going to try to do. They're going to try to push it back into the water. Oh, 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 oh no, don't get hurt. Oh, Jacob, don't say that. Oh, Jake.
What's so bad about it?
That's really cool to say. You want people to get hurt? Then why are you filming?
Dad, why do you have to take it so seriously?